If you want to start shopping online easily, installing the Temu app on your Android phone is quick and simple. Just follow these easy steps to get everything set up in a few minutes. Opening the Google Play Store, you can find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once inside, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type Temu. Make sure you spell it correctly so you can find the right app quickly. From the search results, look for the official Temu app. It is usually labeled with Temu as the developer. Tap on it to open the app page. Now press the install button and wait while the app downloads and installs automatically on your phone. This may take a few seconds to a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed. After installation is complete, you will see an open button. Tap it to launch the app. Now you can either create a new account using your email or phone number, or simply sign in if you already have one. Once logged in, you can explore products, enjoy deals, and start shopping right away. That's it, your Temu app is ready to use.